Hi guys, welcome back to 1000 Cute Things, and today we are going to draw a waterfall. I will start with my pencil just to give myself a guidelines for the main shape of the water. So we will draw two lines. The distance between the lines on the down will be a little bit more than on the up. And here we will connect them with one curvy line, like this wavy. Okay, now the down part will look something like a cloud. Start a little bit up here and draw a cloud. And one more curvy line here. Like this, I'm happy with this sketch, and now I can go on with the marker. I will trace these lines first. Now when we are done with the water, we can start drawing rocks. Start with the bottom. Here we will add some plants. You can use any shape you like. And add curve going up. Here I will add one more plant. And finish off the rock curved on top. And from another side, rocks will look similar. One curve here, the last plant here, and the top rock. Let's add some details here. And we will draw some more water in front of the waterfall. We can add some splashes. And now, finally we can draw a face. This is gonna be a very happy waterfall. Mouth. And closed eyes. And I think I'm going to add some ripples on the water here. Our line work is done here. We can now erase the pencil lines. Now we are ready to color this cute guy. When you start coloring, it is better to draw cheeks first, because it's very easy to forget about them if you don't draw them right away. And remember to mark the space for the highlights, as we have a lot of them in this drawing. Don't forget to check the end of the video to see the final result and learn about more ways to have fun with this drawing. We finished coloring, and here is our super cute waterfall. Now I think it would be a fun idea to add some fish here, looking at the waterfall and enjoying the day together. Or maybe draw a rainbow over him. Let me know in the comments if you followed along today and if your waterfall turned out cute and lovely. My next videos are coming soon and I hope to see you there. Bye bye!